a U-shaped mouthpiece that supposedly cleans every surface of your mouth at once, whitens your teeth with a built-in light, and doubles as a gum massager sounds like 3 products bundled into one. And that combination is exactly why Dental Beam One deserves a closer look before you hand over your payment details. The device is sold with 3 settings: a soft mode aimed at sensitive teeth and gums, a deep clean mode for a stronger scrub, and a whitening mode that uses light exposure to gradually brighten teeth without, according to the brand, damaging enamel. It's marketed as safe to use with braces, compatible with any toothpaste, and easy enough to maintain by rinsing after each use. The site also leans on a founder story, crediting a woman named Emily Carter with creating the product to bring professional-level oral care home and narrative structure that shows up across countless single-product e-commerce brands and isn't proof of anything shady on its own, but is worth recognizing as a marketing device rather than independent credibility. What I couldn't find was a meaningful body of outside customer feedback on major review platforms, so I can't confirm how real buyers rate the actual cleaning or whitening results versus the product page's claims. It's also worth knowing that U-shaped, all-in-one brush heads are a growing category in home dental care, and whether that shape and motion clean as thoroughly as a standard toothbrush technique is a fair question some dental professionals have raised about similar designs, separate from any judgment on the specific brand. My take is that Dental Beam One looks like a legitimate consumer gadget rather than a fly-by-night operation, but its whitening and deep clean claims currently outrun the independent evidence available to back them up. I treat it as a product to research further rather than an assumed upgrade over brushing and whitening the conventional way. And I'd read the actual return and warranty terms closely at checkout, since those weren't something I could verify from outside the site either.